Welcome to the Tele Radio Academy. Today we will show you how to register the T60TX-15 DML transmitter on the T20RX-03 ASL receiver. The receiver can store up to 60 transmitter ID codes. Make sure the batteries have been placed correctly in the transmitter. Connect the receiver to a power supply. The yellow LED should light up. Press and hold the receiver function button for approximately 1 second. The receiver relay LEDs will light up. The receiver will stay in registration mode for approximately 6 seconds. Grab the transmitter. Choose a receiver door number on the transmitter. Press and hold the up button to assign relay 1 to 3 to the chosen door number. These will correspond to the up, stop, and down button on the transmitter. All receiver relay LEDs light up 3 times. Release the up button. The transmitter is now registered. This registration procedure is valid for the T60TX-15 DML transmitter and T20RX-03 AS receivers.